Okay, if you can hear me over this radio receiver, I'm about 1 kilometre from home. I've got a half-wave dipole set up there. Hang on. We'll just go off that frequency. Got a half-wave dipole set up there, and I've got 1 kilometre on the distance meter there. I'll just go back into the right frequency, and you can see the difference between the Whoopie mode. There we go. Okay, that's a Whoopie mode, and if you turn it round, so it signals this way. Okay, now if we push the button on the side here, we go to bi-directional mode, so we're looking for a null here, and a null there, and let that go, and we go back into Whoopie mode. But the beacon I'm running at home is just as MOE to MO5, and then MO at the end of it. I prefer that Whoopie mode. It's much better. It might have the volume a bit too high on the headphones, that's the only thing. Okay, as we come along here, as we get closer, the attenuator should start cutting in, and we should get a rough idea of our distance calculation to the transmitter. Okay. Let's just drop down now to 700 meters. 700 meters to go, if you can see that. Oh boy, am I unfit? Am I unfit? Okay, another drop. 500 meters now. 500. Oh. As we peek out on this hill, the signal's coming up a bit. Whew. Okay, 300. And we'll do the bi-directional. Back to the peak. There we go. I can tell the transmitter's a little bit higher than me. As I lift up the receiver, I get a little bit louder squeal, meaning that it's up above, or higher than where I am at the moment. Whew. Yeah. We're down to 200 meters, 200 meters to go. I think my CW needs to be a little bit quicker to get that last dit in for the MO at the end. And the call sign, for those that can't read it, is VK3WWW. Alright, let's get the last bit out of the way. $100 to go. we should get quite a bit of attenuation on the next over. Oh. Okay, 50 metres to go. You can hear that single beep in the headphones. That's telling me that's the first indication that I'm within the area. Okay. Okay, we've got that single beep. It's going to go crazy in a second. I'm within about 30 metres. Okay, now we've got two beeps, double beep. That means we're getting very close. Now, we'll probably have to get a little bit closer to get 3 beeps, which means you're right on top of it. And here we go. I don't know if you can see it, but the dipole's up there coming off that mast. And it's saying 2 metres. Saying 2 metres. Mind you, the dipole up there is putting out a lot more RF than a normal ARDF transmitter would be. It is on 5 watts, but which is roughly about what you'll get, but a lot of loss in the event antennas. I'll just there we go. Yeah, we're on we're now on in sprint mode actually. Second frequency, I don't know if you can see it on there, that's got 2 dots after the 2, 3 dots after the 3, 4 dots after the 4, and back to the main frequency. But the transmitter's gone off at the moment. It'll come back on again in a second. There we go. Time to go and take this off. Oh, good.